Blessings, everyone. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. I'm Mrs. Gold, and what you're looking at is Alkaline's new rules launch party with Rum Bar limited edition. Rum bottles getting given away, and I'm so mad because I'm in Canada and I can't get hold of one. Anyhow, it's good. It's a good look. It's a good look. It's a good look. It was a success, and I'm very happy for both Alkaline and also Rum Bar Rum for putting on a successful launch party. Remember, New Rules Festival is July 5th, and remember, Alkaline is in Canada, June 21st. Be there. New Rules. #. Remember to like, subscribe, share, follow.
Alkaline's New Rules. Tell me some more about this partnership. So this is the second year that Rum Bar Rum is the official rum sponsor of New Rules Festival, and we are excited to say the least. I mean, we have seen every year New Rules has been held in Kingston. It has grown from strength to strength. So to now go on that little road trip and make our way down to Trelawny Multipurpose is definitely exciting. You know, Trelawny is a bubbling parish for us for Rum Bar brand. So, you know, and our reach is everywhere. So to have the music not only take that road trip, but also to just continue to shine a light on live entertainment. We've kind of seen a transition over the years where we have an upstage show.
The street, you know, with the New Rules brand aligned with the Rum Bar Rum, and Kanika West, the floor is yours.
Push. Thank you very much, Ricardo. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Selector. I like the sound effect there a while ago. That was perfect. I'm very excited to be here on behalf of my brand, on behalf of my organization. Worthy Park Estate is exceptionally proud to be a part of New Rules Festival for the second consecutive year in Jamaica. Can we get a round of applause for that, please? Thank you. So it is an honor for us to be here for the 2025 staging of New Rules Festival. A movement, a celebration, and a testament to the global power of Jamaican music and culture. Because right now we're having a big moment internationally, right? Can I get a whoop whoop for that? Yeah man, we have a big international moment going on now. So we have to continue to ride the wave in the right way. On behalf of our entire team, I'd love to express how proudly we stand alongside Alkaline and the New Rules family as official rum sponsor, again for the second year, partnering for this incredible event. From the very beginning, Rum Bar Rum has been committed to championing Jamaica and our culture. The colors alone on our bottle is a representation of that. The green, gold, and black stand up strong and stand up firm. Right? So we're definitely proud of that. And you know, there are a few platforms that truly represent the heart and the
just a joke, I test the vibe. Baby, come and rest for grip my time. Roll with me, you're set for life. Make sure you're good, yeah, I'm the guy. And she a say like you don't know. Oh, fast you are good up on it all. I'm here